Hello and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. I'm so excited to share something special with you today. A fragrant, powerful little leaf with big benefits. Kaffir lime leaves. Now, I just picked up this bag of fresh, dried Kaffir lime leaves at the International Grocery Store, and I thought, we have to talk about this. It's been used for centuries in Thai and Southeast Asian cooking. These aromatic leaves do more than flavor a dish. They also support health in some truly magical ways. Today, I'll walk you through 7 awesome benefits of Kaffir lime leaf tea, how to brew it, and how to use these leaves in your everyday cooking. So let's take a moment to find out what are Kaffir lime leaves. Kaffir lime leaves come from the Kaffir lime tree, of course, a citrus plant that's native to Southwest Asia. These glossy, dark green leaves are incredibly fragrant, like a mix of zest and lemongrass. They're a staple in Thai, Indonesian, and Cambodian cuisine, adding a citrusy, floral lift to soups and stir-fries. But aside from the flavor, Kaffir lime leaves have also been used in traditional medicine for healing properties, especially in teas and oils. Let's dive into the first benefit, and then I'll show you how to use them. We're going to discuss 7 health benefits today. Number 1, supports digestion. Kaffir lime tea is known to soothe the digestive system, reducing bloating, indigestion, and gas. It can also gently stimulate digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food. Number 2, these leaves are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals. Number 3, Kaffir lime leaves have natural compounds that can help fight bacteria and fungus. Some studies suggest they can even support oral health and help prevent infections. Number 4, detoxifying properties. Traditionally, Kaffir lime leaves were used in teas and tonics to support liver health and detoxification, helping the body to flush out toxins more efficiently. Number 5, it's used for calming and stress relief. Brewing a warm cup of Kaffir tea is not only soothing, the Aromatic oils can also help calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety, which is a little self-care rituals in a cup. Number 6, immune support. Thanks to their antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant qualities, kaffir leaves are a gentle yet powerful immune system booster. Number 7, some people use kaffir lime leaf rinses for their hair to promote scalp health and reduce dandruff, or apply them topically in oils for their antibacterial and refreshing properties. Now we'll look at some culinary uses. You'll find kaffir lime leaves in some of the most powerful dishes in the world. Here's how to cook with them. In Thai, curry, or soup, add whole leaves to coconut milk-based curries or broths. Then remove before serving, just like you do with the bay leaves. In rice or stir fry, finely slice the leaves into thin ribbons and toss them into stir fries or jasmine rice for a citrusy punch. It can also be used in dressings or marinades. Steep the leaves in warm oil, vinegar, or broth to infuse your sauces and marinades with their aroma. Now here's a quick tip for you. If using the dried leaves, soak them in water for 5 to 10 minutes before using to rehydrate and release the oils. So as promised, I'm going to take you into my kitchen and we're going to make a cup of kaffir tea together. So come with me. Okay everyone, we're here in the kitchen and we're going to make some kaffir tea. So I opened the bag and I took some of the leaves out and I have them here. And I have to tell you, I took a whiff of this. Oh, you can smell the essential oils in these leaves, how fragrant. And I'm gonna put a few in. You can put in as many as you like. The more leaves you put in, the stronger the tea will be. So I'm putting in about 6 leaves. And I have boiling hot water in my teapot in this here, and I'm gonna pour about 2 cups in. Oh, that smell is just absolutely gorgeous. It's so fragrant and so aromatic. You can let it steep for between 5 and 10 minutes depending on how strong you like your tea. So this is gonna steep for a few minutes and then we're gonna add, now this is optional. You can add honey or you can add whatever sweetener you like. I'm just gonna add like a half a teaspoon of honey. Now, if you'd like also, you can add a few slices of ginger in here if you want your tea to be stronger. So next time I'll do the ginger because I love ginger tea. I'm sold on it. I absolutely love it. I'll be using it in my cooking also because so good, so good. Okay, here we are. I allowed it to steep in the boiling water for 10 minutes and it made a very mild tea. But if you want a more intense tea, I would boil it on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I just want you to see the color of this. There's not too much of a color, but I'll show you in the cup after I pour it in. Okay. Okay, there's a slight greenish color, almost the color of a green tea, but it smells amazing. And you can smell the essential oils in it. Oh, yes. That is beautiful, beautiful. Now this is what I'm going to be having this afternoon. Kaffir lime leaves are a perfect example of food as medicine. It's flavorful, healing, and easy to incorporate in your day. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever cooked with kaffir lime leaves before? Would you try these lime leaves? Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to Healthy Kitchen Wizard for more healing ingredients, vibrant recipes, and kitchen wisdom from around the world. Until next time, eat well, live well, and remember that food is love.